Hi, my name's Amy Odom, Director of the Ethel K. Smith Library, and in this video we'll be discussing Installment 1 of Academic Support Programs. These resources are available to you with your Wingate tuition as free opportunities to support your curricular endeavors and provide support in those initiatives as you move forward in your curriculum and matriculate at the university. The first resource that we'll be discussing is the Ethel K. Smith Library. In academic support programs, we like to think of this as a one-stop shop for everything you need to succeed as a student. The library faces the academic quad directly across from the Burris building, and during the academic week, the library is open 85 hours. You can see those listed here on the screen. During the times of midterm and exams, you'll see that there are extended hours in case you need those. Please be thoughtful that every resource available inside the library does require your Wingate University ID, so please keep that with you at all times. For anything related to book checkouts, room key checkouts, any course reserve materials that you need, your ID will be required for those services. Inside the library, you'll find that you have access to 7 professional librarians at the research desk, and you'll see here's an image of Ethel K. Smith, the librarian for who the library is named. She served the library for more than 20 years and was married to President Bud E. Smith, the Smith Science Building. Now, you'll notice that everything is related to Ask Ethel, so she is our personification of services. And through Ask Ethel, you can chat with a librarian, you can visit at the reference desk, either by drop-in or an actual consultation appointment for you as an individual or for a particular study group, for a particular research need that you may have. Stop by the reference desk on the first floor of the library if you have any questions about those services. One of our 7 professional librarians will be happy to assist you in that way. You also learn a great deal about library instruction as you go through this particular Canvas course for Gateway 101 and through the areas of Research Boot Camp. In the Research Boot Camp module, you'll be creating that foundation for research skills and information literacy components, and you'll be ready for English 110 and then for upper level research skills as you move into your different majors. Information literacy is a phrase that you'll hear a lot of librarians use, and essentially you need to be thoughtful of the following. What information do I need to find? Where can I find it? Access it quickly, efficiently, and effectively, and then as well as evaluate the material for how I need to use it for my particular assignment, and then incorporate it in an ethical manner so that I'm not plagiarizing any issues and I'm giving appropriate credit as needed. Information literacy is a lifelong learning skill which we try to cultivate as you start your studies here at Wingate University. As we are being thoughtful about assignments for Global Perspectives classes, English 110, Bio 150, does not matter. These skills transfer quite well as using these sorts of skills as you move forward. If you need to purchase a car, you need to do research, unless you're lucky, of course, to have won the lottery and can just pick the red one that you want. You need to be thoughtful about research skills in that way. The librarians have created research guides for you at library.wingate.edu, either course or subject specific, to help you work through these. And there's also guides for citation styles in different areas, so those are available for use as well. Traditional materials like books, electronic books, DVDs, online materials, all available to you through the Ethel K. Smith Library. In the event that the library does not have materials you need for your research, we can always use a program called Interlibrary Loan, in which we would ask a sister institution for material on your behalf. So ask a librarian about that service should you require it. A variety of study options, whether you like individual, really quiet study room or group areas. Check out the facility. There's about 40,000 square feet. Pick the space that works best for you. Again, if you need a study room, you'll need to bring your ID. A lot of printing opportunities in our facility. Remember that when your fall semester begins, the university has given you $50 for printing on your ID card. If you use that money, you can of course add more in the business office. And if you forget to use your ID, you can of course log in via the network with your username and password. These services available to you through the Information Technology Office, also on the first floor of the Ethel K. Smith Library near the reference desk. There you'll find materials to talk about what to do with your PC or your Mac if you're having issues, how to connect to the network, if you forget your email password. The folks there are really helpful. They'll help you work out an IT help ticket or work on your computer as needed. Be thoughtful to chat with your advisor about what might be best for your particular major, depending on the computer purchase you might be making or be thinking of. And the people at IT can talk about that as well. Please remember, if you're a residential student, no routers in the dorms and apartments, nor wireless printers. Now feel free to bring a printer, and we know that if we purchase one now, they're all going to have the wireless option. Just turn that button off or else everybody's going to be printing to your printer for free. Great way to make friends, but run out of money really quickly. So just be thoughtful about those kind of things. Another suggestion that your upperclassmen friends might make is to bring your Ethernet cord. A dorm room or apartment's not that large, but an Ethernet cord lets you log in securely and safely and work more securely and quickly. So be thoughtful about those options. All these resources available for you starting on the first floor of the library. Of course, if you have questions, you can see the phone number and the email for the IT help desk. Both of these departments provide a variety of service options in workshops and lyceums. Please take a moment to check out all of the social media postings available there on the screen. Ethel is really prolific on all social media platforms, so check out her hashtag, It's a Great Day at the Ethel K.